Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to your Wi-Fi here and you can click. Then you can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.